Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're going on a really fun, super colorful animal counting adventure, and we'll be learning exactly how to count some of our absolute favorite furry friends, step by step. We're going to meet some truly incredible animals today. Some of them bark and have these great big waggy tails, and some of them meow and have incredibly soft fur. And honestly, the best part of all of this, we get to figure out exactly how many of them are hanging out with us. Think of counting like a superpower. It literally helps us understand the whole world around us. And today, we're going to grow that superpower together.
Okay, let's dive into this. I have a very important question to ask you before we get going. Are you ready to count with me? I'll give you a second to shout it out loud. Make sure you use a big, strong voice so I can hear you. Wow, okay, I can hear you, and that is a big, enthusiastic yes. Let's get started. Shake out your hands, wiggle your fingers a bit, and warm up those counting voices because here comes our very first group of animals. Counting our doggy friends. Here come the puppies. All right, so here come the puppies. Let's count them together nice and slowly. You can even point right at them with your finger if you want to. Ready? Okay, here's the first one. 1. And the next little puppy running in. 2. There's another one. 3. And here comes 4. And finally, the last little doggy. 5. Wow, 5. 5 happy dogs. That is a whole pack of playful puppies right there. You did an absolutely fantastic job pointing and counting. Now I want you to try something using your own hands to show that number. Can you show me 5 fingers? Go ahead, hold them up for me, right up high in the air. Open your hand as wide as it goes. Okay, let's check them together, wiggling each finger as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. You are doing amazing. And you've just completely mastered counting our very first group. Let's move to and see how this builds. Meeting the fluffy cats. Say hello to the kitties. We just counted all those energetic dogs, and now some brand new, very fluffy friends are joining us. These guys are a bit quieter. They love to stretch, and they make that lovely purring sound. Are your counting fingers ready again? Oh, look, the kitties are here. Let's count our lovely purring cat friends together. Just like before, point with your finger and count with me out loud. Here we go, nice and clear. 1, 2, 3. 3 fluffy cats. You are doing so incredibly well with this. Seriously, give yourself a little pat on the back. You accurately counted the dogs, and now you've perfectly counted our 3 kitty friends. We're building some serious counting skills today, step by step. You're basically turning into a true counting expert. Sorting mixed up animals. Uh-oh, they are all mixed up. Okay, now we have a really fun challenge. Our animal friends have wandered around and formed one big, jumbled up group. Dogs and cats all standing together in one giant furry crowd. It literally looks like a silly animal party. So how in the world do we figure out who is who when they're all mixed up like this? Well, the crucial point is, when things get mixed up, we can use our counting skills to easily sort them out. We just need to separate them and count the dogs and cats one by one. First, let's look at the dogs on the left and count them once more to make sure they're all there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 5 dogs. Now let's look at the cats on the right. Actually, wait a second. It looks like a new kitty friend decided to join the party. Let's count them just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. There are 4 cats now. See? We sorted them all out perfectly. And this brilliantly illustrates our sorted animal groups right here in a beautiful bar chart. This is such a cool way to look at numbers. Think of it kind of like building towers out of blocks. Notice how the orange bar for the dogs goes all the way up to the number 5, making a nice tall tower. And the bar for the cats? That one goes up to the number 4. Because the dog bar is taller, we can easily see right away that we have more dogs than cats today. Visualizing numbers like this is just a fantastic trick to help us compare things quickly. The big animal total. How many altogether? This is it. This is the grand finale of our explainer today. We're going to take everything we've learned so far and tackle the biggest challenge yet. We are going to count every single animal, both the dogs and the cats, all at the exact same time to find our grand total. We're adding them all up. Are you ready for a big count? Let's count all of them together as they line up nicely in a row. Take a deep breath, point your finger one last time, and count with me loudly and clearly. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is it reveals our grand number, which is exactly 9. There are 9 animals in total. You are an absolute super counter. I mean, look at how easily you took a big, mixed-up group of different animals and confidently counted every single one of them to find the total. You added 5 dogs and 4 cats together to get 9. That is spectacular counting work.
Thank you so much for joining me for this animal counting explainer today. You did such an amazing job learning, sorting, and counting along with me. But hey, before we wrap up entirely, I want to leave you with one final, very important question to think about. What animals will you count next? Maybe you have pets at your own home that you can count, or maybe you can count the birds flying outside your window. Keep practicing your counting every single day, whether it's animals, toys, or even just the trees outside. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.